Hey everyone, I'm Michael Warrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people pick up when they do random beauty hauls, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so do I have a shopping problem? You be the judge. I have here, I don't even want to count, a bunch of random hauls. The majority come from Amazon because I see something, I get influenced, someone suggests something. It's just so easy to shop on Amazon. I also have a free gift Friday, a random Ipsy add-on, and the one item from Sephora that I got in my VIB haul that was late to the party. Alright, enough rambling. I'm going to dig in and start with this box from Sephora. So let me know, did you end up making a purchase during the VIB sale? Are you wishing you'd picked up less or grabbed a few extra items? I wish they had a couple of items in my shade. I'm hoping that for Black Friday or Cyber Monday, they will offer another discount because there's still a few items in my shopping cart. Holy cow, the size of the box compared to what's in the box, insane. All of that cardboard for this guy here. So this is from Seoul de Janeiro, and it's the Beija Flor Bounce. It's their newest scent, and it's a kit where you get a full-size cream along with the spray. It retails for $38, and you get a $61 value. Plus, I got a VIB Rouge 15% off discount thanks to my twin Heather. Also, I ended up purchasing it because of Heather. Heather, I better enjoy this scent. If not, maybe we can do a trade. I'm sure I will because they have the most delicious scents. Alright, when you take it out of the box, this is what she looks like. This here is ginormous. I don't think I've ever owned a full-size Bum Bum Cream. I usually get the 15 ml sample sizes. Alright, please smell divine. Ooh, very soft and subtle, not as strong in my opinion as the original, but very lovely. All right, let's check out the mister. Ooh, a little aggressive, but again, it's not meant for your face. I'm just going to put it everywhere. I do smell a little bit of alcohol, but I think that's because I immediately sniffed it. You are technically supposed to just let it sit for like 10 seconds and then take a whiff. It's very soft. It's floral. It's lovely. Is it my favorite? No, I still prefer the original, but it is very yummy. And thank goodness the bottle gives the notes because, you know, me and trying to describe scents. All right, so the top notes are pink dragon fruit, lychee essence. Mid notes are Brazilian jasmine, ocean air, and hibiscus. How does one bottle ocean air? That's fascinating to me. And what they're referring to as the dry notes, never heard that mentioned, is sheer vanilla and sun musk. Leave me a comment and let me know if you've had the pleasure of smelling the latest and greatest from Seoul de Janeiro. And if so, what are your thoughts? All right, moving along to Ipsy. So this product here, I don't remember what it is, but I do remember when I got it. When I placed the order for the Ipsy Advent Calendar, don't ask me why I decided to grab an add-on, but I did. This came just like this inside the box with the Advent Calendar. Advent Calendar was a long video, so I decided not to unbox it at that time. What do I have here? All right, I see DM, which stands for DANESSA MYRICKS. What did I get from DANESSA MYRICKS? I have no recollection because I selected this over a month ago. I can barely remember 2 weeks later. All right, so this is the Vision Flush Lip, Cheek, and Eye Color. Ooh. Okay, so it's going to be one of those sticks that you can pretty much put wherever you want on your face. Usually I just cheek product, but let's see what shade I picked it up in. And interesting, it looks more like a lipstick. Hopefully I'll remember it can go on the cheek because me and my memory, I may just think this is, you know, a lipstick. If I can figure out how to open. Do you twist? Oh, you twist. Oh, okay, so it's shaped like a bullet lipstick, but it's more like a liquid lipstick. Interesting. Is it gonna have a scent? I don't think so, but all I'm picking up on is Seoul de Janeiro. All right, let's do a little swatch. I probably put way too much on because if it can be a blush, it, you know, is gonna blend out. That is a really, really pretty color and it matches my current lips. All right, I'm gonna have fun playing with that product. All right, on to the free gift Friday, which I get from NEWBEAUTY. Whenever they have a free gift Friday, I will receive a text message. It will show the product. If I'm not too busy at work, I remember to look at my phone. If it's something I like, I will buy it. The gift is literally free, and you only have to pay shipping and handling, which is $10.95. Ooh, I don't remember what this is. Usually it's some form of skincare. This is very lovely packaging. All right, so this is from a brand called HYDROPEPTIDE, and this is the Hydro Lock Sleep Mask. I have no recollection what the MSRP value of this product was, but I can guarantee you it was a lot more than $10.95. Ooh, look how pretty the packaging is. This is plastic, but it's one of the nice plastics, if you catch my drift. Beautiful, soft pink. Yes! It is a gel cream formula. I love gel cream formulas. Ooh, it has a subtle scent. I think I'm picking up on lemon. Ooh, that's going to be lovely. I love gel creams because they sink into the skin so quickly and beautifully and do not leave a greasy feeling. All right, now let's move along to my shopping problem, otherwise known as everything I picked up from Amazon. All right, I'm going to be just as surprised as you are, even though I made the purchases. There are many made over several weeks, and I honestly forget. Oh, look at this. All right. So when I did the live collab with Heather and Beauty and More with Renee, there was a comment made by, I think, Renee, where I should pull my bangs off my face when I do makeup try-on. So I pulled the trigger and picked up some of these little clips that supposedly don't kink up your hair. I know, I'm always late to the train. Oh, no. Okay, so if you saw my recent empties video, I shared an empty of a cream contour stick from Maybelline that was part of my project pan. I'd been using it all year and I truly loved it. So I decided to, get a backup. But guess what I did? You probably won't pick up on camera. I ordered the wrong shade. Dum, dum, dum. Well, I better get cracking and send this back. Thank goodness for free returns. Leave me a comment if you make shopping errors as frequently as I do. All right, what else did I get? Okay, so this isn't beauty related. However, it can be used when I film. So if you've seen my little friend, it's this magnifying glass. Well, I find I need magnifying glasses just living my life, reading ingredients on food, recipes, any kind of small writing on anything in my life, because guess what? I'm old and my eyesight is actually 20/20, 20/25, near perfect, but there's something about the lens, whatever. That's why old people need readers. A good eyesight, but not because I can't read small text. If you aren't at least 40, you won't get that, but once that clock ticks, you will join the club. Oh, look, it's as if it had a baby. I didn't realize it was so much smaller, but hey, it works, and I got a 2-pack for, I want to say like $7, $6, so not too shabby. The other item in that package is this guy here, which I blame Heather again. Heather. And why, may you ask, am I blaming Heather? Well, because I bought some makeup because of her strong ranting and raving about how fantastic this product is. Have I mentioned I'm super influenceable? So this here is from Catrice, and it's the HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. I've heard nothing but good things about this. I am questioning the shade. This is 01 Light Beige, but in the bottle it's looking a little dark. But let's do a little swatch and hopefully, oh, of course it landed right on top of that blush. No, okay, that looks like it's going to be good. And if it's a little too dark, guess what? Just add in a foundation that's lighter and magic. You fixed it. All right, let me know if you'd be curious to see a try on first impression review of this in the future. All right, what else did I get? This is heavy. Ah, yes, this is the most recent purchase I made, as in yesterday. And again, I was watching the Allie Gaines did a series on the top 10 in every single beauty product that her viewers loved and enjoyed. And I saw a product I've never tried. It was number 1 or number 2. And that product is the Lifter Gloss from Maybelline. Honestly, I'd never even heard of it. And it looked fantastic. You know how much I love glosses. It was super affordable. I even had a little coupon. So guess what? Yada yada, judgment-free zone here. I just picked it up. I got the shades Reef and Moon. Aren't those beautiful? Pinky nude, peachy shades. Which, if you know me, you know me. Yes. Ooh, it smells delicious. Like a vanilla mocha latte. All right. That is super comfortable. Not sticky. And not too thick. I don't like lip glosses or lip oils that are too thick. I would say it's Goldilocks style, just right. I also picked up not 1 but 2 black eyeliners because, as you may or may not know, I am on the hunt for the perfect gel eyeliner that will sit on my top waterline and not transfer down to the bottom. Today I'm wearing top and bottom because guess what? The top transferred down, so I just went all out. This here is from Rimmel and it's the Scandal Eyes. This one here is from Wet n Wild and is breakup proof. And this was like $1.98. I forget. This one was like less than $5. I don't know. Very affordable, so if either doesn't work out, it's not breaking my bank account. But wouldn't it be nice if these were fantastic? I love when drugstore has kick-ass products. Okay, and then the last item is this guy here, which is from Revlon. I've never heard of or seen this before. It's apparently a cream eyeshadow. What? This was also super affordable. I love eyeshadow. I've tried cream eyeshadows, but usually they come in with, you know, like a doe foot. The Patrick Ta eyeshadow palette has a couple of cream shades, but this fascinated me. A little mini 4-pan with all cream shades. I'm like, sign me up. How adorable. It does come with a mirror. Here are the shades. Just a basic neutral color story. They did, by the way, have 4 to 5 other color stories, but I had to go with this. Let's do some swatches. All right, there they are. Right here is the light. Here's the second lightest, and so on. They do have a little glow or shimmer, but nothing glittery. I cannot wait to give that a try. All right, moving on to the next Amazon bag. All right, I can tell what's in here based off of how heavy it is and the shape. Wow, not much protection. This here is something else that Heather influenced me to purchase. Heather, you know I have a shopping problem. Stop influencing me. This here is from L'Oreal, and it's the True Match Hyaluronic Tinted Serum Foundation. I have it in the shade 0.5 to 2, very light, which I found interesting, the shade ranges. It wasn't like a specific number, there were ranges. So we shall see if I fall into this shade range. Oh yes, that looks divine. I'm not sure what I think about the dropper, but can you even see it? It's right there. Ooh. It is a little light, but you know what? If the Catrice is too dark and this is too light, mix the two together and I have both of Heather's favorites all combined into one concoction. All right, let me know also if you would like to see a first impression try of that product. And yes, I know I'm late to the train. All right, one last product from Amazon. And by the way, did you note all of the various types of packaging? The paper bag, the standard white and blue bubble wrap, the zero packaging type bag, and then yes, this box, which is not a standard Amazon box, came from Amazon. Amazon always either brings me joy or pisses me off. Usually both at the same time. I know, that's insane, but it's true. Ah, yes. Okay, so this product here is another foundation. I know, I have a problem. And you may be thinking, but you have your holy grail. I do. That doesn't mean I don't love and enjoy trying new products. Don't ask me why, but I do. Complexion products, concealers, and foundations are my favorite type of makeup. By the way, this was wrapped beautifully in bubble wrap, is this size, and came in a box this big. That's one of the things that bothers me about Amazon. All right, so what do we have here? This was recommended to me by one of my subscribers. It's from a brand I've never heard of called Christopher Buckle, and this is the Perfecting Foundation Stick. This is what it looks like. I have it in the shade Fair. Let's do a swatch, and this bad boy only cost $4.06. Ooh, she's very yellow. Can you even see it? It's right there. But you know what? For $4.06, I'm willing to pick up anything, throw it on my face, film it, particularly because somebody recommended it to me. So you will be seeing a future video with me trying on this product here. All right, so that's it. That's everything. I'm not even going to hold everything up and go through it because this video is probably already too long. But let me know if anything I hauled is something that you've tried before and that you love and enjoy. Or let me know before I open it if it isn't something I've already swatched, if it's like really bad and I should send it back straight away. Also, let me know if you use and abuse the convenience that is having an Amazon Prime membership. OMG. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, clicking the thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.